This is the place to embrace the values of life where kindness begins. This is where every movement and every deed are tied together to create love that warms the heart. Every motion and every step are in harmony with the environment, preserving nature. Every person, every soul, every living thing, living in unity. This is the place where everything turns to life. Communities build dreams. One can witness the beauty of nature, find a simple peace of mind, and a love that lasts forever. Discover nature, environment, happiness, life. Summarecon Serpong. Nature in a truly livable city.